Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit Ethereum in Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance app and make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see there is advanced, you can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. I assume you want to transfer your Ethereum from your other wallet, so you have to choose on-chain deposit. And then you can search ETH, click this one. Then you can choose the network. You have to choose the right network and the same network. So if I choose Binance Smart Chain, and well, when I send it, I will choose BNB Smart Chain also. So yeah, I will choose BNB Smart Chain, and then this is your wallet. You can click copy it, and then you can paste it on your other wallet to send it to Binance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.